Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from police on scene, and the title of the video is Entitled Costco member shocked after getting caught stealing. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about, man.
On August 13th, 2023, the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department responded to a call for service at the local Costco for reports of a man potentially stealing from the business. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
You can take everything out for me.
What do you have in your bag?
Just stupid shit. You can throw in the box if you like this.
You too old to be doing all of that.
I'll take all this stuff out of your pocket. Yes.
What else in that bag, sir?
No.
Or something else in it?
It's just a stuff bag.
Okay. Yeah. So, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna go to the office real quick, all right?
The office, and we'll get some paperwork and we'll get this completed, okay?
Typically, this is with the young kids, not the older people. Come on now.
Never gonna shop at Costco again. Just lost every privilege you had to shop. Right, this every time you're here. So we're gonna backtrack on every camera in this whole warehouse. It's all these two. And if you do this every time, we're just gonna keep asking all of them.
This right here is what you call the walk of shame. All through the whole store like this, with the officer behind you. Oh yeah, you done, my boy.
You can leave the stuff you paid for and we'll take all this in here, okay?
Sir, real quick, just so I know you have to, nothing else on you. Can you still here? Comes to the wall. I'm gonna pat you down, make sure you don't have any weapons or anything. Is there anything that's gonna stab me or poke me or anything like that? On your body? Anything? Yes, no?
I don't think so.
It doesn't inspire a lot of confidence, yes or no?
No.
All right. Have a seat. I haven't run into a 44 or anything.
Okay. Yeah, probably.
I assume you know why we're here. So I'm going to read this to you, okay?
Sure.
I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's going on with these items in your cart outside the store?
Number one, signal phone.
What?
These items in your cart
That we're not paid
that
for.
we're not paid for.
Just
Go for one.
stupid shit.
We'll define stupid shit.
Just
Imagine there's a 7-year-old driving a golf cart with some 37s on it.
I don't even have an explanation.
Last seen
You
heading
can't
west
afford
on
your
230
meds, you
Green Golf
resell them, somebody paid you to do this.
No, sometimes it's Tylenol was for my mom. You know,
16 cents.
we use the allergy medicine, you know, for my kids. Sometimes I sell it.
Okay. So you're acknowledging that
Hey, you guys get in there. Give me a visual.
No, we're 10-4, thank you. I mean, you're
I wouldn't admit it to trying to sell them. I wouldn't admit it that, but yeah, you caught. The gig is up.
You're past
Yeah,
that issue. Ring stuff up. And you neglected to ring up a bunch of stuff, right?
Yeah,
Driver went up and over the curb.
yeah. It's just,
Okay. Do you have any ID on you? Do you want us to run it? It's fine. He's getting us.
yeah.
You guys want to trespass?
Yes, yeah, we're gonna post for trespass. Now, as the officer will explain, the time frame for the city of Palm Beach Gardens is 18 months. However, I'm telling you as a representative of Costco, you are never allowed on the property or the grounds of any Costco river again.
Out from the curb
Is
area,
that clear?
up against the building. Could you send that to this
What happened?
temporary?
Somebody went over a curb.
We will. So, and as my manager had probably explained, what I'm going to do as the loss prevention officer here is I'm going to look in the history of your last shots to see if this has happened in the past. If it has, what I'm going to do is if I can find anything to where my inventory auditor has wiped out any of the products that we think you may have selected, I'm going to go to your first appearance date and I'm going to petition for restitution on anything that I might be able to justifiably say you've stolen. If we do get awarded restitution, there is a chance that this might be increased to a felony if it is over the amount of $750. We're not there yet. That might be down the road, but I'm just letting you know from Costco's perspective what I'm going to be looking at.
Charge Bravo 5.
Bravo 5.
Sounds good.
Copy, thank you.
Sound good to me.
Alright. I guess I'll get some 44 cents. Do you want to...
Road 32.
Yeah, just grab it and I'll say it. Yeah. Do you need anything else from me? Like, no, I got his ID real quick. Just hang tight here. I'll get some paperwork.
Who has my license?
We'll give it back to you before.
I'll get it back to you. Is there something going on, process that I'm not aware of?
You're not aware of? You're under arrest. So you're under arrest right now for shoplifting. We're doing the paperwork. And then from there, they're going to do their little thing and then we'll go from there.
Is there anything I haven't been aware of? You're done. That's
Okay, so this is a paper arrest, okay? So you're technically under arrest right now. We're going to issue this paperwork with a court date, okay? Your court date's right here, September 13th, 2023 at 9 a.m. at the Palm Beach Gardens Courthouse. It's on PGA Boulevard across the street from the mall. It's in the same building where the tax collector is, where you get your driver's license, everything else. Address is right here, 3188 PGA Boulevard. I circled it on the back here. Because this is a lot of carbon copies, I also rewrote it on your copy back here. I rewrote your charge for you as well as the address, okay?
Now, at this point, at September 13th or whatever, is that an arraignment or is that at a point
That is your first appearance at court.
Okay.
Okay.
Should have an attorney?
That is completely up to you, sir. You know, for as far as I can tell, these guys have video of it. You admitted to me after Miranda that you did this. You know what I mean? If you want to retain an attorney for that, that's fine. It's, like I said, it's completely up to your call, and I can't provide you legal advice. Okay? So I don't intend to do so. I do need you to do two things for me. You should print your name right there, and then sign your name right there.
That's why you don't say nothing until you have
Like
it.
these guys said, you're being issued a trespass warning as well for 18 months. If you return to this location in the next 18 months, you are subject to arrest, okay? They explain to you the rest of the process, you know, what they're going to do. They're going to go back and review their videos, see if this has happened in the past. You know, that might increase it to a felony amount. I don't know what they're going to find. You know better than I do what they're going to find. So if you think that there's a possibility that'll happen.
Search Alpha 4.
Pay for gas, so I don't know.
All right. Well, good luck to you, sir. We're going to escort you out of the building.
2200 North Boulevard, 1400 North Boulevard, Civic 75, the best pharmacist reference to a patient that may take one due to them not feeling well.
Yeah, I'm going to follow.
She's at 1.
Another walk of shame? Oh, man.
What? You want to cut out after you leave, but go for it. I appreciate you staying. No worries, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.